Alright guys, the old exhaust is out. R pipes, XYZ, and then this is the mid pipe here. And the other stuff's outside. Yo, just open the garage real quick. Windy. So this is an old Shockwave here, the new one. So this one's flat right here, and the other new one is more rounded off. So there you go. So it's off to a new guy. He's coming to pick it up right now, and I'm gonna be installing the new one over here. Look at that, shiny, beautiful. And then yeah, that's it. So yeah, we got everything off, no problem. So next is just putting those R pipes on, and then after that, everything should be. That's it. That should be easy. So we already took the O2 sensors out. O2 sensors are. Yeah, so we got the O2 sensors out. Just use a 22mm wrench to take it out. That's it. And then we're gonna put those O2 sensors in here, where the bung is over here, and then that's it.
Yo, crack the garage open.
Oh, it's okay.
Nah, shut the fuck up.
Ready? Ready? Alright guys, so we got everything mounted up. Alright, everything's mounted up. We gotta basically tighten up all the V-bands and then position them so you know, we don't scrape them and stuff. So yeah, that looks super badass. That looks sick. And then we got the tips. We just gotta put the tips on, and that's about it. Let me give you another view over here. So under here, we got the R pipes to the XYZ mid pipe muffler, and then that. This is probably right here in between here is probably the most challenging, and then that's it. That's that. Motordyne.